Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's Wear. In this video I have come up with the designing on the Capri pants or the palazzo pant, or else you can also try this for the salwar mori. The designing is so simple and it really gives the awesome, and the main thing I'm gonna embellish this with the pearl beads. I've trimmed the pants according to my measurements and I'm unfolding it. This is how it looks, and I'd be using a piece of strip. This is of in length 10 inches, width-wise the same as pant width, and from the top I would be leaving 1 inch. Exactly in the center I would be giving the marking, and to the either sides of this marking I would be also giving the marking like this, a narrow marking. Now with the gap of 2 inches I'll be giving markings here on both the sides. This time I'll give the markings a little lesser than the previous one. That means the height of this will be decreased by 2 inches. It's approximately 8 inches now. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है, तो क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशन चैनल और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशन और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। Markings on the strip of fabric would look like this. I'll also give the markings of half an inch towards the bottom hemline for the concealing with the pant openings. Now I'll exactly stitch on these marked lines like this in a zigzag way. I'll start the stitch from the bottom hemline. Continuing the stitch on these narrow lines. Again getting back to the hemline. Now I'll be giving the stitch on this center narrow line. Done with the stitching, this is how it looks. Exactly on that marked lines I have given the stitch. Now I will be giving the slit in this center of 3 lines. Ensure it should not cross that thread line. Now I will turn inside out, also giving the angle slits at these ends. Once turned, I'll give the gentle press so that the underneath seam elements will be settled. And this is how it looks. Now I'll again give the top stitch starting from the hemline, continuing on these slits like this. This is how it looks. And now I'll be using the pearls for the embellishment with the gap of 1 inch, and this is towards wrong side with the concealed hemline. Now I'll give the hand stitch for the joining of these pearls with the gap of 1 inch. And the final look out of this simple designer pants embellished with the pearl, which really gives a gorgeous look for the office or the daily wear, right? Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.